Welcome to M32 Growing Gardener. This is the place where you get to watch me learn, you get to watch me be successful, you get to watch me fail. These are 4 things that I have been successful in. Cuttings of hydrangeas. This one's an endless summer. I took a cutting off of a plant last fall, and in late fall, early winter, it rooted and now is a growing, thriving plant. This one is a bright pink hydrangea. Same deal. Cutting, growing strong. This is one of my newest seeds that came out of cold stratification. This is a pollinated, germinated, now sprouted American chestnut seed. This is also a cutting. This is an eastern red cedar, one of 3 that have made it through the winter. These are just some of the things that I'll be doing here on this channel. Also, I have 3 different hybrid Chinese chestnut orchards. I also have food plots. I do microgreens. This is an expansion of M32 Outdoors. So if you came over from M32 Outdoors, welcome to M32 Growing Gardener. If you're new to this channel, welcome to M32 Growing Gardener. If you like hunting, fishing, outdoor stuff, camping, canoeing, boating, and all of that, then head on over to M32 Outdoors. Click that link right there, right above Groot's head. That'll take you over to M32 Outdoors. But if you come over from M32 Outdoors, you will be seeing, not all of them, and they're going to be shorter versions of a lot of the videos that I did there. If you click right here at the end of the video, it's going to take you to the compilation of the 5 main videos of me and the giant that lives in our woods. The huge American chestnut tree, the one that's got 58-inch circumference, the one that's well over 100 feet tall. I found 70 burrs last fall, and of those 70 burrs, 5 seeds were pollinated. I cold stratified them through the winter, and now they're growing into young seedlings. So on this channel, I'll be doing a lot of gardening, a lot of orchard stuff. I'll be propagating apple trees, black walnuts, oak, chestnut. I'm going to be getting into a lot of other cool and awesome things for your yard, for your food plots, for your property, or for your driveway nursery. That's what I'll be doing also is growing these to where, I mean, look at this one. It's already flowering, and it's March 6th. So this endless summer is growing amazing. This one is the bright pink, and look, it's even got new little growth coming down here. Another one right down here at the base. This American chestnut just sprouted 2 days ago. This eastern red cedar, I've been watching and taking care of it since last September. All of these videos I will be placing up to this point on this channel, so you can go back and watch from the beginning on this channel. But I'm excited to start it. I'm excited to continue. I decided to break my M32 Outdoors channel, not really break it up to have like what you'd call a church split or a YouTube page split, but more of a continuation into more of a specific niche. Something I've wanted to do for a while because I've seen numbers bounce back and forth between my M32 Outdoor page. I'm going to continue strong on that page, but I'm also going to continue strong on this page, but both in their respective niches. M32 Outdoors is going to be hunting, fishing, camping, canoe camping, boating, boat camping, and adventure sightseeing as well. This channel is going to be more specific to gardening, propagating, orchards, growing things. And I invite you to grow with me on this M32 Growing Gardener. What do you think, Groot? High five. Groot approves. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Let me know I made the right choice. Let me know that you are interested also in all of these things. I have had many emails and many messages on M32 Outdoors about specifics with the eastern red cedar tree. I've gotten a lot of comments on American chestnuts, a lot of comments on my hydrangea plants. You know what? There's more coming, but I'm not spoiling it all tonight. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the notification bell. Because once a week, at least, if not more, I'll be putting content out, and it's going to be more geared towards the growing gardener. Have a good night.